Not to brag, but I could have programmed those way better. Gotta change it to mouse first. Then I'll scope out the park. Incognito.
I don't see any bad guys.
Should we take a closer look?
Hello, I'm Quentin Beck, Master Illusionist. And this is Betsy, my business partner, and Cole, my technical advisor. And this is the next generation of entertainment.
No way, dude.
Excellent! Cole, a brave young man, ready to experience the future firsthand. Is there anyone else out there with courage in their hearts? Come on, come all, and experience the future! There's a kiosk up ahead. Just keep moving.
If you enjoy your experience, please tell your friends, and feel free to visit one of the many Mysteriums now open around the city. Our free trial ends soon.
Thank you, Betsy. I'm sure he will. Now to customize your experience. As you look at these images, I want you to think about your future, your hopes and your dreams. Ah, yes. I'm getting good data. And we're done.
No way!
Enjoy the show. Don't worry, I'll be watching and listening. If at any time you begin to feel uncomfortable, just let us know. Enjoy your dream come true.
Oh, nice! All right, I'm in it.
Watch the party now, stop like.
There it is, yeah! That's what I like. Here it comes, y'all. Let's go! All right, let's break this down. Nice! Yeah, we outside now. I can't hear you. Let's bring it home! Boom! Yeah, baby! Let's break this thing down one more time! Now we outside! Turn me up some! Whoa! How did I do that? Where did Lee go? Is that even real? Fight now, analyze later. Get it out! Beck, can you hear me?
Yes, we're having a bit of a malfunction.
Obviously!
I'm sorry, I cannot see you. Can you describe what is happening?
I was rocking the club, then a bunch of bad guys showed up. Now they're trying to rock me!
Oh, dear. I hope you're not hurt.
I can hold my own, but can't you just pull the plug or something?
It's not that easy, but we are trying.
Why are Lee and his demons here? Is this all in my head? Beck told me to think about my future when he was creating my illusion. Is this what I was thinking about? Which?
We're almost there. Are you still holding in your own?
Barely!
Sit tight. Just a few more moments.
Beck said this was my custom dream come true. Maybe more like a nightmare. These new powers. There's the mixer.
Get to it. Fast. I think if you finish the song, you might hit a break point in the program. There! You should see an exit. Make your way to the...
Okay, time to go.
you okay?
Yeah.
I am very sorry. We will do our best to find out what happened. But until then...
Miles! So, what's up with that?
Oh. The future of entertainment still has some bugs to work out.
Hi, Pete. Cool shirt. Cool shoes. Really cool shoes. Cool everything, really.
Hey, Miles. Thank you.
Guys, this is my best friend, Harry. He just got back from overseas, and he's starting up a new research foundation.
You mean we're starting up a new research foundation? Hey, good to meet you.
New job, huh? Still gonna have time for tutoring?
We'll figure it out.
Shall we?
Actually, that thing back there really messed my head up. Can we dip?
Okay.
Nice meeting you, Harry.
Yeah, you too.
You good?
Yeah. Actually, I'll catch up with you later.
Hey, we should really check in on Miles. Make sure he's okay.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
Well, they seem nice. Not too bad they're gonna miss out on the best night of our lives, huh? All right, here's the plan. Tonight is the greatest hits album of our childhood, and the top 3 singles, each of our favorite attractions.
Welcome! All right, let's do this.
Step right up.
You have no idea who you're up against.
Good luck. You'll need it.
Now, Pete, you got this.
All right, players. Fingers on the trigger, eyes on the target.
And they're off. The Great Coney Island Open returns after 3 years, and our returning competitors seem to be in the highest of spirits.
Harry, what are you doing?
Distracting you. Duh. Not that it's working.
Oh, that's dirty.
Go, Pete!
You're taking his side?
I don't root for cheaters.
Ooh, burn.
Hold up! You guys want your prize?
Oh, we're good. Thanks.
I'd look good in a crown.
Next on our top 3, MJ Watson featuring the Speed Demon.
Yes.
How did I let you talk me into this?
Ah, stop and smell the popcorn.
How can you think about food right now?
You know me. I have many talents.
Sure. With the spinning vertigo ride out of the way.
Forgot how much I loved that one. One more down.
Ready for round 2, Pete?
One of us has to be.
Oh, it is on.
No, you want to play some hoops.
Swish, swish, bish.
Never knew you were so into basketball, Harry.
With all this energy I've had lately, I'm into everything. Oh, there he is.
Yes! Show him how it's done, Pete!
Yeah, let's go!
Another stamp for our ticket.
My own mother killed this one last
Sorry.
time she was here.
Knock him down is calling our name.
Throw the ball, knock them down. The baby could do it.
Heard pyramids are the most stable structure. Let's test that out.
I know somebody who blew $20 trying to knock him down.
Yeah.
Not supposed to be able to do that.
And another one's gone.
Ready to put our love to the test?
Okay, you two go get declared soulmates. I'm gonna fly solo. See if I give off Casanova vibes.
Good luck. Soulmates, huh? No pressure.
What does this thing know about us?
Maybe that you should move in with me?
Or maybe that everything's too up in the air to think about it yet?
Yeah, maybe. Whoa, that can't be right.
What is this thing reading anyway? Our body temperature?
Or our skin's pH?
Highly doubt it's that sophisticated.
Over here, let's do this one next.
Just 3 left.
Go-karts, anyone?
With your driving? Hard pass.
Come on, you two lovebirds. Got more park to explore.
Don't worry, I got you.
Is that Tombstone? What is he doing here?
Looks like he's a mechanic? And saving the day.
Thanks for pulling me out, man. That could have been really bad.
Maybe we should try the roller coaster. Tombstone? Mysterio? This park really is a magnet for reformed supervillains.
Yeah. Come on. We still have a little more memory lane to walk down.
Did you see that guy's face? He was pissed.
Wow.
So
I hope Miles gets to see these. Haley's got some talent.
Expert color theory at work here. Feels familiar, yet modern.
Well, somebody remembered a thing or two from AP Art.
I really think that was...
What's your secret admirer want?
Who, Jonah? Nothing. Not a
This one looks fun.
Hey, Pete. This is the best night of my life.
Hey, Harry. Me too.
I want to have my birthday here this year. I didn't think I'd get any more of those.
There'll be plenty, buddy.
Ah! That was great!
What a ride.
So,
Who, Jonah? Nothing. Not a word on my article yet.
Still can't believe he's your boss.
Let's just find something to hit. Finally! Let's hammer some hydrants.
Yeah, let's do it.
all right, just come out wherever you are.
Dude, that's kind of dark.
Gotcha!
What? They're not pigs. They can't exactly threaten to blow their houses down.
Have you ever considered, like, I don't know, not dropping sass?
I have not, thank you very much.
Yes! Take that, you stupid Hydra!
Yo, MJ. You good?
Great! Thanks!
Yeah, MJ. Show those Hydras who has opposable thumbs.
I really needed that.
So, whose face were you picturing? On the moles? Classic transference.
It was totally Jonah's, wasn't it?
One left and it's Prize City.
Coming through.
I know it's dangerous, but what am I going to do? Never travel?
I didn't realize how excited I'd be to ride the speed demon again.
Ugh, check out that line for the big wheel.
Harry's right, Pete. If we get in line now, we'll be standing here all night.
Maybe it'll die down later.
Heading over to Coney Island to pick up my sister. Just gotta make a detour real quick.
Sorry.
Sorry, it's been like 3 days.
Oh! Okay, kind of random, but hear me out. Halloween this year.
Group costume.
Group costume.
Oh, yes! Oh, okay. I might be getting ahead of myself, but I'm seeing a lot of Spider-Man stuff around these things. Is there something there?
The morph suits are pretty affordable.
Yes, see, that's why I hired you, Pete. Innovative thinking.
So it's settled then. This year's theme? The gang becomes heroes.
Perfect.
Damn, they're really making us wait in line for that?
How's it feel?
Weirdly high. Or do you mean being this handsome, this charming?
Being Peter.
Being Peter is nice. I think we could both use more nights like this.
Yeah. We always say we will, but... let's pinky promise this time. Just not right now. Yeah! Too high.
All right. Postponed pinky promise.
Ah! Huh, needed that.
It's so relaxing up there. That's all of them. Let's go collect our bounty.
Cotton candy, anyone?
Candy. Strict diet. Doc's orders.
Too sweet for me.
I think I'll go see if that claw machine is still finessable like old times. You two coming?
We'll catch up in a sec.
Glad he's doing what he loves.
Killing it at the claw machine?
I meant the foundation. It's great that he gets to make a living helping people.
I'll bet your book helped more people than you realize.
Always looking on the bright side, huh?
Better than the alternative.
I don't believe it. Claw machine has a new high score. Couldn't beat it.
Tragic.
Everything okay? Yeah. Just want to chill for a bit. I don't think I've been back here in like 6 years.
I'm gonna go scope out the popcorn situation. You guys want anything?
Caramel corn would hit the spot.
On it.
It's good to be back, Pete. Can I ask you something? Being gone, I've missed a lot. You just lost your job, MJ's got work woes. Are you both... okay?
Yeah, we're okay. Everything's great. I mean, especially with EMF, we're gonna change the world.
Yeah.
My fault.
What do you mean? So anything corn-based is a no-go. Hopper's cracked.
Oh, man.
Damn.
Ugh, smells incredible.
Hey, Harry. Wanna get that chili dog you were craving yesterday?
Too early for that. I want to cap the evening off devouring as many chili dogs as I can fit in my pie hole.
How about this price right here? Shoes, fits in a handbag.
I know, I told you the same thing. Go for it.
Strawberry or just plain lemon?
Everything okay? Yeah. Just want to chill for a bit. I don't think I've been back here in like 6 years. 10 for me.
What was that?
Somebody threw something. Looking good, Pete.
You know I'm never taking this off, right?
You're gonna wear that to the office.
After you.
Co-founder approved.
Such a gentleman.
Doing okay?
I'm really nervous.
Don't worry about it.
Woohoo!
What are the chances the person Harry gave his prize to would be the single writer sitting next to him?
I mean, it would be one heck of a meet cute. Should we tell her?
Tell her what?
What are you two whispering about up there?
Just reminding MJ to keep her hands inside the vehicle at all times.
Yeah!
Woo! That was epic!
right?
I needed that. All right, fearless leader. What's next?
Our last showcase of the night.
Something else?
The muscle up.
Serious all
Oh, you know it, baby. Never did hit that bell, but the dream always kept me coming back.
I think this'll be the year.
So sorry.
This place feels so much smaller now.
And forever.
Tickets were so much cheaper 10 years ago.
But kitty allowances made it hurt twice as much.
True.
Welcome! Who's up first?
Pete, come on.
Nice! Take it easy, Harry. Don't hurt yourself.
The only thing that's gonna hurt is your Parker pride.
Boys, boys. You're both pretty.
Sorry.
What?
Okay. I guess this really was the year.
Harry, that was something else.
Yeah, I have no idea how I did that.
Okay, how about we do something more chill?
Looks like the Ferris wheel line has died down some.
Hey, I'm gonna let you two go ahead and be cute together. I'm gonna go see if I can win a couple more unicorns.
You look really happy.
It's funny. Harry's getting a second chance, but I feel like I'm getting one too.
You two are gonna make a hell of a team. The Bugle posted.
Did Jonah put you on the front page? Oh, you're gonna be an editor! I should have brought champagne.
Hunters and scorpions and explosions, oh my. Jonah posted the new guy story.
MJ,
It already has 5,000 views. I've got to write a different kind of story. Win his trust, somehow.
Hey, you'll come up with something. You always do.
Thanks.
Sure. And hey, if you need some help from your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, I'd say we make a hell of a team too. Even if I do forget the champagne.
Next time.
He went this way.
Out of the way! Eyes on Tombstone!
Tombstone.